All right, now we're doing 7Q Bubblesort once. This is by Donald Sablung, and 85% of people like it. Bubblesort is an inefficient sorting algorithm that is simple to understand and therefore often taught in introductory computer science courses as an example of how not to sort a list. Nevertheless, it is correct in the sense that it eventually produces a sorted version of the original list when executed to completion. At the heart of Bubblesort is what is known as a pass. Let's look at an example of how a pass works. Here's our following list. We initiate a pass by comparing the first two elements of the list. Is the first element greater than the second? If so, swap the two elements. Since 9 is greater than 7, blah, 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 blah. All right, so basically, this 9 is going to go all the way over here. And there it is. All right, task. Given an array of integers, our function Bubblesort should return a new array equivalent to performing exactly one complete pass on the original array. Our function should be pure, i.e. it should not mutate the input array. So that just means we have to change this into a different thing. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to say let result equal A. All right, but we can't put an array in an array or it'll make two arrays, right? We'll make an array within an array. So we're going to use this spread syntax, which allows an iterable such as an array or string to be expanded into places where 0 or more arguments or elements are expected. So we put ... and it turns this array into comma-separated values that can go into this array. All right, now that we've got that, we're going to do a for loop for let I equal 0 while I is less than result.length. We're going to say, result.length minus 1 because we don't need to do this one when the 9 already gets to the end. We're going to say, after that, we're going to say I plus plus. All right? Pardon me. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to say if result at I is greater than result at I plus 1, we're going to say an array with result at I, comma, result I plus 1 will now equal result I plus 1, comma, result at I. All right? So it's going to take this one and look at these. This one's bigger. It's going to switch places. Switch places. Here we go. Switch places. Just like that. All right? And we're going to say return result because usually to finish it, we'd have to throw another for loop in there to go to the 7, 5, 3, all the way down and take them all the way down. We don't have to do that, so this is pretty much done in my opinion. Also, there we go, and submit it. All right, so there we go. Pretty much looks exactly like this, except for we called it result instead of new R, and we didn't do slice. We just did spread syntax. I mean, I would have had to gone to a page anyway, so might as well do it the cooler way. And there we go. That's it. Let's go to mine. Just me on this one. Best practice in my opinion. And we'll see you next time. Up, up, up. Very much like it. And we'll see you next time.